Hi traders, Anthony here. Now we've just had a breakout signal fire on Ethereum paired with Bitcoin. So what I thought I'd do in this video is just have a look at this and go to the higher time frame here, see where things are at. We've just broken through a weekly, this golden sort of brown horizontal line that you can see. So we've broken this weekly level now, retesting. We do have a price gap above this level. Yeah, I mean up around, well, here. So we could mark that out, potential, a level for a target. Okay, so let's just go back, have a look at the 15-minute chart. We'll open that up. What I'd like to see would be a break and retest of this range. So if we get a push through here, retest and fail here, and we see the setup, then I'd be looking to buy. Yeah, that would be my cue to go long. I'm a little bit reluctant to get involved earlier on, but yeah, break of that high would be the thing. So we'll just mark that out through here. We do have this break here. However, I am a little bit reluctant to jump in, given how overextended this is at the moment. Right now we're trading up into a big resistance level right here, as you can see. So we could see this rotate and pull back down in here. Although we do have this breakout signal, and it's not a buy or sell signal, just to make that really clear. This is a breakout signal. Generally these are going to be a pretty good setup. I'd say we get a bit of a retest, and it might grind on up. It's pretty bullish, but again, I don't want to get involved until I see a break of this high. So this is something to keep on the radar, definitely. At the moment, like if you have a look at this on the higher time frame here, on the 1 hour, for example, we're just ranging through this level here, right? It's traveling sideways. So I want to see some conviction, some directional conviction, which we do have on the higher time frame overall, but I need to see the break and retest of this range, and then I'll be looking for the setup to get involved. Well, that's my take on Ethereum, and invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the links below and take up the free trial. Have a look at my website. It's in the description below the video. There's a free trial, 7 days. Gain access to the indicators, Telegram, everything. Okay, with that, have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.